So our morning started out pretty interesting. First, Jackson loses his magic band, then Aubrey forgets her magic band in her room, and Aunt Sam's not here, so they've been locked out of the room. And so we finally get back into the room, and we all just decided to have a giant party.
Come here, Jackson.
There right now.
Look at him go. Oh, you see him, Jackson? All right, Slinky Dog. Let's go, Slinky Dog.
We're getting on Slinky Dog. We're right up front. I gotta take a photo, and then I'm gonna try and record it.
Hold on to that phone.
Hey, everybody, look up here!
Everybody! You're not going to be able to get everybody. Yeah. We're not in the photo.
Oh, well, we're going to pull up. So I was going to record Slink Dog, but then we were right up front. We couldn't see anything, so I was like, nah, I'm not going to do that. So, couldn't really see much, but we were right up front. It was a lot of fun. Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Kelsey says 10 out of 10.
It's all going to be 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for everybody. It was really cool, but I would not wait an hour and a half or longer for that ride. It was very short. Up at the top, well, there's one part where you're up at the top and you look over to your left, you can see all of Galaxy's Edge, and that was really cool to see. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Wouldn't wait an hour and a half though. I'd probably wait maybe 40 minutes for it, at most. So we're at dinner. Since last time we talked, we went back to the hotel and swam for a little bit because it was really hot outside and we were all a little tired. We did quite a few rides, but Amanda did Tower of Terror and Rock and Roller Coaster. And now we are sitting at the 50s, the sci-fi dining, and it's actually pretty cool. I don't know how the food is yet, but we just got here. It looks pretty cool.
Oh, hi, Cody.
This is what the area looks like. There's like stars, and they play.
Well, our waitress said that someone's going to sit here, and the rest of our family's going to sit here.
So there's a bunch of stars, and they play like little short movies. I don't know what that is over there. Something, but this is really cool. I haven't seen a single thing about this yet. So dinner is over. It was alright. It wasn't anything special.
Yeah, it wasn't really that good.
I would say we both got a steak, but the steak.
Fatty.
I said the steak was very fatty. The bottom of the steak. Every little bit of the bottom of the steak was just nothing but fat, so it was really chewy and kind of gross. It was actually really flavorful, though. Other than that, I don't know what else to really say about it. It wasn't anything. The atmosphere was amazing, but the food itself wasn't anything to rave about. But then after that, we went and rode Star Tours because we had another Fast Pass we had to use today. And it's actually only like 7:30. But we're headed back to the hotel because tomorrow we have to...
It's a very early day.
Yes, we have to be... We're leaving at 6:45 in the morning.
We have to be at breakfast at 6:30.
Yeah, so we're going to Universal, which is opening at 7 for us because we have like an extra thing at, I don't know, we get an hour early basically. And so at 7 we will be at Universal to do Harry Potter and everything else. So today's vlog is probably a little bit shorter, but tomorrow's vlog is going to be well long.
Yes.
I'm not ending it yet because I don't know what we're going to end up doing. I think we might go swimming for a little bit. Maybe I'll record that. I don't know. But, yeah, that's all I got for us right now. Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Star. The boys thought it'd be great to play in the rain. It's currently raining right now, and they're just continuing to play.
And they don't even care about the rain.
Boys being boys.
They're idiots.
His lightsaber.
I bet he's coming back with it.
And he's like, alright, I gotta go back.
He's like, Mom, my toy. Give me that poncho.
Come on, Jackson! This way!
Careful.
And he's carrying her drink.
Oh, Papa!
Oh, Nana, another rescue mission!
Papa's got an umbrella.
It's like putting a plastic bag over her head.
Why do you even put it on?
Oh,